We're all acknowledging the snow, many people celebrating, but it was just cold this morning.
Today was a layer morning, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
You'll need that again tonight as we have some more cold weather on the way. Here's Gary Walker's picture from the Tooele Mountains. He frequently will go up into the Tooele Mountains, which of course are east of Beaver, and that's where we find these beautiful snow-covered mountains. And it was cold enough this morning that there was ice on the river. In fact, temperatures were below zero on a few of our mountains, and even 0 degrees reported in Ely this morning, one of the cold spots anywhere in the country. You know where the cold spot was, though? Lily Lake in the Uintas. It was -8 this morning. This next storm front is sitting out in the Gulf of Alaska. It will weaken as it moves towards Utah. In the meantime, it is pushing up a big, huge ridge of high pressure over Utah. The result is air is warming up above us, and that, in turn, will make inversions strengthen in the valleys. And so temperatures today are not very warm. We started really cold this morning. You know, a lot of spots were into the teens. In fact, around South Jordan, it was 14. Did you know that Tooele had 8 inches of snow from the lake effect last night, and so it was very cold there as well. We had 7 inches of snow reported in West Jordan. 38 degrees right now in Price. The northerly winds have been blowing strongly into the Price area, 15 to 35 miles per hour. Also, canyon winds in Utah's Dixie, south of the Black Ridge, over towards Virgin and into Hurricane and Tokerville. We've had those wind gusts anywhere from 15 to 45 miles per hour. Now, a little bit of rain up in Seattle and western portions of the Idaho Panhandle. To the south, sunny skies all the way over to Colorado. But take a look at Denver right now, 28 degrees in Denver. The same storm that hit eastern Utah, which, by the way, dropped a couple of inches of snow in Moab this morning. We had a couple of inches of snow around Blanding. That same storm has deposited 10 inches of snow in the Denver metropolitan area. It's moving away. High pressure is moving in, as I mentioned. So we are going to be under clear skies tonight. And those clear skies, where there's any snow on the ground, temperatures are going to plummet. Parts of south central and western Utah that were cold last night, where there is snow on the ground, it'll be even colder tonight. Now, tomorrow, big ridge of high pressure. You can see it all the way up into the Dakotas. And then this storm system, we talked about it in the Gulf of Alaska. That'll be possibly reaching Utah on Wednesday, but it will weaken considerably. It's the second storm out there that we'll be watching for an arrival time on Friday. Friday is the next chance for storminess here in Salt Lake City. So look at these nighttime lows. Roosevelt 6, Vernal 10, 15 in Price. The winds will decrease in Price. Those gusts you've had today, those will be gone by tomorrow. And the winds around Washington County as well diminishing. But 58 and 28, coldest night of the season in St. George. And how about a 9 in Richfield, a 6 in Manti, 10 in Delta, and Ely 2. 61 Tuesday in St. George, 62 on Wednesday, Thursday 60. And then that next storm rolls in here Friday and Saturday. It'll bring a few showers around, but mostly north of St. George. Now, the Wasatch Front and most of our communities tonight as cold, if not a touch colder in a few spots. Park City 8, 5 degrees in the Star Valley, 10 in Logan, where there'll be a little bit of fog. 19 again here in Salt Lake City, 39 for the high tomorrow, 44 on Tuesday, 50 on Wednesday. And then Friday, Saturday,
here we come again.
We're going to have another little storm in here. Not too early to say that it may accumulate a bit, but between now and then, not too bad. Cold.
Bundle up tomorrow.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.